Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to brush teeth, because a lot of patients come and ask me the same question, ma'am, show me how to brush so that I do not have cavities and I'm able to clean properly all my teeth in a short span of time while I'm brushing. Now first of all, I want to say that brushing in itself is not a complete cleaning of all your teeth. You of course need to add flossing to it. You need to use a mouthwash. There are other ways like oil pulling and all, which we can talk about later on, but yes, today I will show you how to brush your teeth on this model. So you can see here we have a model of the teeth and we have a brush. I'm using a charcoal brush. You can of course use any sort of brush. I generally recommend a moderate hard brush, not a very soft one, because a soft brush does not actually clean your teeth. Instead, it just polishes. So unless and until you've had a dental surgery, I will not recommend using a very soft brush. You can use a hard or a medium hard brush. Then, so basically what you have to do, this is your mouth, these are your upper teeth, these are your lower teeth. Alright, so what you have to do is first close your teeth and move it around the gum and you can have a look closely. Move it around the gum and the tooth line. The area which meets the gum and the tooth is the area which needs to be cleaned. Do not brush like this, because this will not help. What you have to do is you have to hold your brush like this. Look, you have to hold your brush like this and you have to move it on the line. See, you have to hold your brush like this. And you have to move it on the line. Then you move it again here, this side, move it on the line. Okay, that's how brushing has to be. Move it on the line. Alright, now that's how you will take it behind, and then this side you will be brushing the same way. Right, then this is, I'm simulating right now a closed mouth condition, while you have cheek and tongue around as hindrances. So of course you don't have the luxury to open it wide like this and clean. So I'm going to be simulating based on how you actually have your teeth inside your mouth. Then you will open it slightly, and of course you can go here and you can again go with this round motion in the gum and the gum and the tooth line. Basically that's where that is where the most amount of germs lie. Okay, so you go right behind in the round motion, just keep cleaning. You can spend some 2 to 3 minutes while you're doing this. It's important to do it both sides with the same equal pressure, otherwise you can end up causing abrasion of one side where you've applied more pressure. We do not want to do that. Then you will open your mouth, of course, not this wide. Yeah, you will open your mouth. You will take your brush here. Now, for the ease of understanding, I'm going to open it wide and show you. So you will take this brush. You will go inside, because this is the area. You have your tongue on this area. So your brushing suffers. So you have to go specifically to this area. Make sure your brush reaches the last tooth, which is your wisdom tooth in most cases. If it is not, and teach your children also to make sure that their brush reaches the last tooth. Okay, then of course inside, then this area you have to make your brush stand like this. Make sure you clean this area. Then you clean here. Now you take your brush again behind inside your mouth, and the occlusal surface has to be cleaned. The maximum amount of cavities lie here. Okay, so this is how you've cleaned that. Now we come to the upper part. Okay, so for the ease of understanding, I've kept it like this. I'm sure in your mouth it is not going to be like this. So what you have to do again, you have to hold it. Okay, I'm holding it for you. So you have to make sure that you take your brush like this. First of all, you have to clean like this, so that you clean the inside of the upper teeth. Then of course you take it again here and you clean this area. Then you take it this side and you clean this area, right? So this is really nicely cleaned. Make sure that again your brush, the tip of your brush reaches the last tooth, which is the most important thing. Okay, make sure it reaches the last tooth. You have to clean all your teeth. Now, one thing that I will tell you is there is no particular way as to how you would clean your teeth. How you are able to guess whether your teeth are cleaned after a proper brushing or not is you, after brushing, after rinsing, move your tongue around your teeth inside, on the inside part of the teeth, and see if you feel that glassy clean feeling. If you don't feel that, if you feel there's sort of roughness anywhere, that absolutely means that that is one area which needs attention. Either it has not been cleaned properly, or it has some sort of a cavity, some sort of a deposit which cannot be cleaned by brushing. In that case, you have to come to a professional dentist, and you have to make sure that you get cleaning done. Okay, that is the criteria, and of course before brushing it is always recommended to floss your teeth, and after brushing it is always recommended to use a mouthwash, about 5 to 10 ml. Swish it around your mouth and spit out post that after about 10 to 15 seconds. They say optimal time for a mouthwash is 30 seconds, but you can put it, if it's too strong for you, maybe 10 seconds should be okay. Do not rinse after using the mouthwash. Do not rinse with water immediately. That's one. Second thing, do not dilute the mouthwash with water, because then of course the potency gets diluted and it's not very effective. So I hope that the brushing of teeth was a nice session and you were able to understand this. If you have any issues, I would be happy if you could just write them in the comment section and I can help you out. Thank you.